ponds.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bower Ponds, a beautiful natural area along the Red Deer River in Red Deer, Alberta. This spot is known for its peaceful ponds, walking trails, and scenic views that attract both locals and visitors alike. The area is named after the Bower family, early settlers who lived nearby and helped shape the community in the early 1900s. The walking paths wind around the water, offering a chance to enjoy nature right in the heart of the city. Its history and natural beauty make it a unique part of Red Deer's landscape. Whether you're strolling the trails, feeding the ducks, or simply soaking up the outdoors, Bower Ponds is a peaceful retreat in the middle of Red Deer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta. Red Deer is a growing city in central Alberta, located between Calgary and Edmonton. The city started as a stopping place for travelers and fur traders in the 1800s, thanks to its location by the Red Deer River. The river's name comes from early settlers who called the local elk Red Deer. Today, Red Deer is a busy city known for its parks, trails, and outdoor spaces. It's surrounded by farmland and rolling hills, with the beautiful Rocky Mountains not far to the west. The city has a strong history in farming, oil, and trade, and it remains a welcoming place where people enjoy a mix of nature and community life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Red Deer, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching.